Okay, now Fastly said he has created a carousel advertisement and optimized for link clicks, but somehow you're getting landing page view counts. You don't have any pixel installed or instant experience for this ad because you're actually driving people to your Shopee store. This has happened to you before or other ads. You're curious about how is this happening. Okay, here's the thing. Theoretically, if you are driving people to a destination that you don't have the pixel installed, like in this case, we are talking about Facebook. I mean, driving Facebook from Facebook to your Shopee store. Technically, if you don't have pixel installed, you shouldn't be getting the landing page count. But nonetheless, sometimes it could be either. We have been saying this something similar as well. But you have to just monitor whether the count is accurate or it's correct or not, or it's actually logical or not. If not, right, I would say we just focus on the metrics that matters to us. Like, for example, I'll give you another angle. We do have a strategy to drive people to start WhatsApp conversation using traffic objective, all right? And we were optimizing for link clicks, but we will still get the landing page view count. You get what I mean? Okay, it's something similar, but nonetheless, okay, we have the number, then let's take a look at it. We monitor that. We just have to make sure that, you know, it's something that is reasonable. If it's not, then ignore that, you see?